In this video I just want to show you the unpacking of this solar panel. It's a unit that's just a small one for topping up 12 volt batteries. Now I've taken it out of here, out of the box, and it just looks like this. So I'll just take it out there. I'll show you what it looks like underneath first. You get the cables, the one that's attached to the back, the one that you attach there, them two there attached to the battery, and that's for recharging in a 12 volt system in the car. So inside it's got this leaflet, obviously instruction leaflet, guide, safety, etc. And we've got some screws for fixing it to the top of caravan, motorhome or whatever. And this here. Now this separate unit here attaches to this. They go hand in hand like that. Showing. So that pushes together. It's very hard to do while I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time. Anyway, and this, as I just showed you a minute ago, the 12 volt, the cigarette lighter socket. Now on the back of this goes up here, and it's fully attached to the back. And there's some ratings, model number, etc. So, because it's only such a small wattage of 6 watts, it doesn't need a regulator. Well, unless there's one inbuilt, but I don't think so. So it's safe enough to trickle feed a 12 volt battery. So it's sized in relation to that. There's the details of it. I only paid £24.99 at a local store at Aldi. And there's details on the back. So yeah, I thought I'd just show you this unboxing. I'm going to use it on the caravan and to top up a small 12 volt battery that I've got that I use to light the shed. That's it, it's just a useful portable, unless you fix it to the top of a caravan permanently, solar panel. So thank you for watching.